Hello everybody, thanks for checking out another WordPress tutorial by How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Yoast SEO plugin and a quick tutorial on how to use it. To add the Yoast SEO plugin, head over to your plugins menu here, click on add new, and then up here search for Yoast SEO, and right away you can see up here Yoast SEO. That's the one. Install now. And Yoast SEO is a WordPress plugin that helps you write better SEO optimized content, plus more SEO features to improve your search engine rankings. Once it's done, click on activate. Okay, upon activation, you will see in your menu down here, SEO has been added to your menu. Head over to the general settings here, and they actually have a first time SEO configuration to get you started quickly and easily. So let's click on configuration wizard here. Okay, so the first question is environment. Is your site live and ready to be indexed, or not live and it's under construction and should not be indexed? So that's up to you, whichever option you choose, and then click next. And your site type, is it a blog, online shop, news, portfolio, or something else? I will select a blog. And the next question is this blog an organization or person? For me, it's a person, and then select the person or the owner right there. Click next. And search engine visibility, as default the posts and pages are set to show up in the search engine, so that's fine. Click next. Does the site have multiple authors? That depends on your site. For me, it's a no, and click next. Your title settings, so this will appear after your post title. So for example, my website name, Best Money Site, will appear after my blog post title, and the title separator is whatever in between the post title and my website name. And as default, you can just leave it as is. That's not really too important for your title separator. Let's click next. And in this step, this is a plug for their newsletter and upgrading to the premium options, which depends on your needs. For me, it's not necessary, so I will click next. And that's pretty much it. There are steps 1 to 6, and then 7 and 8 are just plugs and the success screen here on number step 8, and close. And that's all there is to setting up Yoast SEO. And you can also go through each individual menu tabs here for more options, but certainly all of the mandatory and required SEO settings and options are already configured in the wizard setup here. Now, one of the other most important features of Yoast SEO, when creating a post, it will give you an analysis of your SEO and your readability. So let me add in some example content to show you how it works. Okay, so I have here content about make money online. So now let's go to the bottom where it says Yoast SEO focus key phrase. I'm going to enter in make money online. So this is my main focus keyword, and now it's going to give me a score, as you can see here, which is an OK score. You can also see over here. So you want this to be a green happy face. That indicates that your content is optimized at a high level. So here are some recommendations. If you click on SEO analysis, you can see the results here. It's missing some outbound links and also internal links, some meta description, some images, And also the SEO title is quite wide. The key phrase is in the title, so that's good. And here are some good things about your content. My key phrase is in the introduction. It has a good density. It's been used 6 times. It contains a lot of words, over 1,000 words. And the key phrase is in the slug, which is the permalink or the URL, which contains your keyword. And you can click on each one of these things to learn more about what it means. So let me fix a couple of these to show you how the analysis work. So let's remove this to make the title shorter, and I'm going to change the slug or the permalink. Now let's add an image. Okay, I found this image, so let's insert. And now to add the out or the alternative text to this image, let's put it right here, and there it is. Just add in a short description containing your keyword about the image. And while we add it, might as well let's link to our page or our site for internal link. So I'm just going to link to the home page. Let's update. Now let's check the analysis. So our internal link, so we just made that internal link, and we just added the out attribute right here. However, it is still just okay. So I just moved the keyword to the beginning of the title and also added an external link here, just a random link to Wikipedia. And now my SEO analysis is good with the happy face. So that should be good enough, but it also recommended to make my own meta description. So to do that, you can click edit snippet here and then enter in your meta description. Okay, so I just added the meta description, and make sure that it is green, and now everything is green, so that's great for SEO. So everything is good, readability is good, SEO is good. And that's how you use Yoast SEO to improve your website content, to make it better optimized for the search engines, and therefore increasing your search engine rankings. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below this video. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WordPress and SEO tips and tricks and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy blogging.